Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, it is now getting from the sublime to the ridiculous within the Nigerian state. Now, I am no Bobrisky fan, but guys, I bring you this. Why Bobrisky's effect may be worse than Ebola, than this is attributed to the Nigerian government. So that's the headline. Why Bobrisky's effect may be worse than Ebola. So now let's find out why the Buhari government feels that Bobrisky is worse than Ebola. Olusegun Ronseye, Director General, National Council for Arts and Culture, NCAC, on Saturday said that the Nigerian cross-dresser Idris Okuneye, popularly known as Bobrisky, poses serious hazard to Nigerian youths. Ronseye told News Agency of Nigeria in Lagos that if Bobrisky's activities were not promptly curtailed, the effect would be worse than the Ebola outbreak. He urged that Bobrisky's activities should be curtailed to jealously guard the youths from imitating him. He urged Nigerian youths to stop imitating him by remaining responsible and good ambassadors of the nation. Bobrisky is a national disaster and embarrassment to the country, engaging in cultural corruption as a cross-dresser, and we have to start to curtail his activities before it gets out of hand. We will not allow Bobrisky to destroy the future of our youths and the unborn Nigerians, he said. Ronseye said that when the cross-dresser's birthday was altered by the police recently, it was revealed that he had been training some Nigerian youths to toe the same line with him in Lekki area of Lagos. He said immediately the cross-dressers party was altered, a good number of the boys he was training left him, so that was an achievement. According to him, Bobrisky's activities negates the culture and tradition of the nation, and he could be excused to go to other climes where such cultures of being cross-gender would be tolerated. Ronseye urged parents to guard their words, not to emulate Bobrisky, but take after responsible celebrities in society. So now this is now what this character, this Ronseye character, this element has to say about Bobrisky. So as I said, I am not a Bobrisky fan. I don't particularly like him. I don't especially dislike him. I am nonplussed as far as Bobrisky is concerned. He's not to my own personal way of life of thinking, but then of course live and let live is my own attitude to that kind of thing. So long as no minors are being harmed or nobody is being forced against their will, then live and let live. It's not my lifestyle, but then I'm not going to deny him his lifestyle. If that is his lifestyle and is comfortable with it, then good luck to him. That is my own outlook on it. But for this guy now to go on national media to be saying this guy is the equivalent of Ebola, I mean, it's just the most crass and it's just baseless and base level IQ thing to say. I mean, if you think about Ebola, you recall that there was a Nigerian female doctor that lost her life preventing Ebola from breaking out within Lagos. Can you imagine if Ebola had broken out in Lagos? Lagos is one of the 5 mega cities in the world. Lagos is a densely populated state. So can you then imagine Ebola in a place like Lagos where everybody is living cheek by jowl on top of each other? The whole place will just be wiped out completely. So this lady now put her life on the line to save millions and millions of people, to the point that this lady should be given a national honor. I should try and look for her name and put it in the description because she's that much of a hero. This was what Ebola was. If you go to some African countries, they're still battling this thing that just ravaged all the way through several countries, and this is now the equivalent that this Ronseye guy is drawing between Ebola and some wayward guy who likes to cross-dress. If some wayward guy likes to cross-dress, that is between him and his family. If his family are able to speak to him to say mend your ways and is able to listen, then that's good. And if they don't have that control over him, or they don't see anything wrong with it, then that's fine. Either way, it's not that big a deal. The fact that this guy is a cross-dresser is not that big a deal. And I'm not just saying it from an international dimension. I'm even situating it within the Nigerian space, because there are certain northern cultures that they cross-dress, and they've been cross-dressing for centuries. You see them, they are tall like that. They'll paint their face and put lipstick on, and they're jumping up and down, and that is how they impress their women. So it's a thing that is a thing of of personal choice, certainly not the equivalent of Ebola, but then of course this guy is signaling to the Aso Rock residents that I am loyal, sir. I am towing the line of extremism. I am bullying them along the line of your religion. Come and give me extra dollars. So this is an extra dollar call effectively from this guy, is just what I'm reading into it, because what business of his is how Bobrisky chooses to dress. Well, I mean, next thing and the other thing that they're saying that is that tattoos is not part of our culture. In Yoruba culture, they do something, they call it singbere. They use it to mark your face to show your tribe and the family that you come from. This has always been the tradition in Yoruba land until recent. So I'm not quite sure why they're now saying tattoo is not part of our culture. So this sort of nonsensities and the nonsensical pronouncements that is coming out of the Nigerian space is starting to churn the stomach a bit. It's a bit irritating, really, some of these people who just make all this empty noise in the papers just to be seen. Conversations in the comment section, this rank nonsense that this man has said is what I am asking you to come discuss with me. But what is your take on it? Are you for or against Bobrisky's right to dress as he pleases? However you think and whatever your thoughts are, come share them with me in the comment section. But before you come share those thoughts with me in the comment section, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. Bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me what you are making of Ebola and Bobrisky in the comment section. So I'll leave you here. Join you in the comment section. But here I say peace.